Are you looking to clean up your TikTok following list and unfollow everyone at once? In today's video, I'm going to show you a new and easy way to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. TikTok does not provide an official way to unfollow everyone at once. So, we're trying to unfollow everyone at once by this method. What you need to do is open a TikTok account and go to your profile page. And you can find following and followers. Simply tap on following. Now to unfollow everyone, tap on following. And that's how you can unfollow everyone on your TikTok account. And that's all there is to it on how to unfollow everyone on TikTok app on 2024. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.